Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to connect data from Pilot GPS to Microsoft Power BI and build your own reports, charts, and dashboards. We'll walk through the entire process, from enabling access to creating your first chart. We'll use Power BI as an example, but the same approach works with any BI system that supports REST API. Before we continue, make sure that the Analytics module is activated in your account. In your account interface, you may see it labeled as Dashboard. If the module is not enabled yet, please contact technical support. Data starts collecting only after the Analytics module is activated. Historical data for previous periods will not be available. Once the Analytics module is activated, you can connect to the data. To set up the connection, you will need login, password, server address. Now let's see where to find them. Let's start with the login and password. To connect BI, you'll need the login and password for your Pilot account. Use credentials from an account with administrator access. Copy the login and password. You'll need them in the next step. Now let's determine the server address. Open your Pilot GPS account and look at the browser address bar. This will be the server address you need to connect to. Later, we'll insert this address into the query. Now we have everything we need to connect. Let's take a look at what a ready-made BI query looks like and how it can be used to retrieve data. On the screen, you can see an example of a completed query. A sample query will be available in the description below this video. Let's briefly go through its structure. The first block is the server address. This tells the BI system where to send the request. The second block contains the login and password. These are used for authorization. Below that, you can specify the time period for which you want to retrieve data. And the last important block is metrics. Metrics define which indicators will appear in the report. For example, mileage, fuel consumption, speeding events, trip count, and other indicators. To create your own query, simply use the example and replace it with your own data. Login and password, server address, dates, and the metrics you want to include in the report. If you don't want to edit the query manually, you can use an AI assistant such as ChatGPT or similar services. We've prepared a special system prompt that automatically generates a BI query for you. Simply enter your own data into the prompt, and the AI will generate a ready-to-use query. You'll find the prompt in the video description. Now let's open Power BI and insert the query. Open Power BI Desktop and create a blank report. On the top panel, click Get Data and select Blank Query from the drop-down list. The Power Query editor will open. On the top panel, click Advanced Editor. Delete the template text in the editor and move to your query. Copy the query and paste it into the Power Query editor. Then click Done. When connecting for the first time, Power BI may display a privacy settings window. This is a standard security message. Since authorization is already built into the query, no additional configuration is required here. Simply click Continue. Then enable the option, ignore the privacy levels, and potentially improve performance. After that, click Save. A table with data will appear in the Power Query editor. Click Close and Apply. The data is now loaded and ready to use. In the Visualizations panel on the right, choose a chart type, for example, a line chart. In the Data panel, expand your query and select the fields you need, for example, date, mileage. Then, drag these fields into the corresponding chart areas. For example, move mileage to the x-axis. Power BI will automatically build the chart. Using the same approach, you can create full dashboards with multiple visualizations on a single page. Now you know how to connect BI analytics to a BI system and start building your own reports. Let's quickly recap what we covered. Activated the analytics module, obtained the connection parameters, login, password, and server address, reviewed the structure of the query, connected the data to Power BI. Everything you need for independent setup is available in the description below this video. BI analytics documentation, list of available metrics, sample query, AI prompt for query generation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support or leave a comment below the video. Thank you for watching.